Welcome to this technical guide on the HP NB13ah0006ns. We are Kelatos Informatica, specialists in technical repair. We collect your device from your doorstep, carry out a free diagnosis, and send you a quote before any repair. No phone calls, no trips to the shop. We are based at Calle Joaquín María López 26, Madrid. Convenient, transparent and professional. Link in the description. If your HP NB13ah0006ns fan is making a racket, you're not alone. This is a common issue that can occur due to dust buildup or a failing fan. If left unaddressed, it can lead to overheating, which may damage your laptop's internal components. So, let's get started on diagnosing and fixing this problem. For this repair, you will need a Phillips screwdriver, a plastic spudger, and some compressed air to clean the fan. First, ensure your laptop is completely turned off and unplugged. To open the device safely, place it upside down on a soft cloth to avoid scratches. Using the Phillips screwdriver, carefully remove the screws securing the back cover. Remember to keep track of where each screw goes, as they may differ in size. Once the screws are out, gently use the plastic spudger to pry the back cover off, starting from a corner and working your way around. Be cautious not to damage any clips in the process. Now that we have access to the internal components, locate the fan. It is typically situated near the center of the laptop, attached to the heat sink. Once found, check if there's any visible dust or debris obstructing it. If so, carefully use the compressed air to blow out any buildup. If the fan still appears faulty, you will need to disconnect the cables attached to it. Gently pull the cable connector away from the motherboard. Next, remove the screws that secure the fan in place. Be careful not to apply too much force, as the screws can strip easily. Once the screws are removed, lift the fan out of its compartment and replace it with the new one. Reattach the screws securely, but avoid over-tightening. Then, reconnect the fan cable to the motherboard, ensuring it is seated correctly. Before closing the laptop, double-check that all components are secure and that no wires are pinched. If at this point you feel it's getting too tricky, remember that at Kelatos we collect your device from your door and return it fully repaired. Now, carefully place the back cover back onto the laptop and secure it with the screws, ensuring everything is tight but not overly so. Turn your laptop on and listen to see if the fan is operating quietly and efficiently. To prevent this issue from recurring, regularly clean your laptop's vents and fan area to avoid dust accumulation. Additionally, consider using your laptop on a hard surface to enhance airflow. If you'd rather not risk damaging your device, at Kelatos we collect, repair and deliver back to your door anywhere in the UK. Link in the description.